Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's video, I wanted to start with a little bit of a recap, just something where I wanted you to know that if you do watch these videos religiously, I appreciate that, and I want you to know that I really am working to bring you actionable money-making opportunities. So if you get the chance and you want to go back and look at some of these videos from last week, any likes and comments and art from a bot are always appreciated. But again, it goes further just to show you that, we were looking at this ULTA setup well before it happened. And after this video had come out, you actually got a great dip buy opportunity on that Friday. So again, the video posted a couple of days ago, and then you can come back over here and look at the results of that trade. So, the daily squeeze is firing, and ULTA, the chart really was a thing of beauty and is now well on its way. So that's been a money-making opportunity that I was working to clue you guys into. And then another video that came from Wednesday night's review was showing the trade set up in NFLX. So if we come over and look at that, you can see that the stock was trading about $5.45 at that review. And of course, refreshing where NFLX is now, up here at $5.75. The post-earnings directional momentum is continuing. And I think that you've got $600 in the sights. So again, it's like, all right, well, that's great. It's good to see those have worked out. I hope a lot of you have made good money off of it. But if it's your first time viewing this, you'd say, well, where's the next setup? Now, this one is a lot less liquid. And I want to give a shout out to my buddy Alex in the chat room. He pointed this out to me into the close today. So again, knowing that the options here are very illiquid, and a lot of times that is frowned upon, rightfully so, because paying up on the ask for an option is going to cost more and, all the things that go along with that. But if you can catch the move, that spread difference is really not going to matter. And the same setup that we've been talking about that I think is unfolding here is showing up in ICE. So we have a mature daily squeeze, and the real strike of consideration here is 130. So while a lot of times that lack of liquidity can be prohibitive, there are other times where in this case, I believe if you clear 130 on the back of a squeeze, you could have a pretty direct and explosive move to what I'm going to be targeting there at about 136. So I think playing those through next week's options should have some opportunity. I hope you find it helpful in your trading, and hope to catch you in one of the chat rooms later this week. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.